On to the sport news. Welcome to your Four Nations Football Tournament recap. Diving into the thrilling final clash between Kenya and Zimbabwe held at Bingu National Stadium, Lilongwe in Malawi. It was a match filled with drama, goals, cards, and a birthday hat-trick hero.
On goal.
Right from the start, it was Zimbabwe who drew first blood. Just 3 minutes into the match, Kenyan defender Joseph Okumu inadvertently turned Tino Kadewere's cross into his own net. A nightmare start for Kenya, giving Zimbabwe a 1-0 lead.
Yabweza Kenya, Mumpindi Zonjezela, the captain.
But the Harambee Stars wouldn't stay down for long. As the clock ticked to the 45th minute, Captain Michael Olunga rose to the occasion. He headed in a perfect delivery from Ayub Timbe to level the score just before halftime. In the second half, it just took over 10 minutes for chaos to hit. In the 57th minute, Zimbabwe's teenager Hadebe was sent off after receiving a second yellow card, leaving his side with 10 men.
Peter Kenya, Tosako Penata, Yesekachiwili. Captain Michael Olunga.
And Kenya wasted no time taking advantage. Just 6 minutes later, Olunga was back on the score sheet, slotting home his second of the night and putting Kenya in front for the first time.
Sungampange Bremu, Bernard, Fungai,
but Michael Olunga had the final word. In the 87th minute, he completed his hat-trick, a perfect birthday gift as he turned 30 years old, sealing a 3-1 victory and the championships for Kenya.
And the Bernard Fungai, Kumasunate Mpirao. Kigoli chimereji na apwera kumapetopeto Malawi versus Kenya chikufananira nako jangosia na golo uyu Michael Olunga.
Now onto the match statistics. Kenya had the lead with 3 goals, 6 shots on target, an aggregate of possession with a 58% lead, each team having 1 red card, that is Hazebe from Zim and Odada from Kenya. The top scorer of the match was Michael Olunga with 5 goals in the tournament and 3 in the finals. This win meant Kenya lifting the Four Nations Tournament trophy and sending a strong message ahead of the 2026 FIFA World Cup qualifiers. Olunga's form red hot, and for coach Eugene Firat, it's a major statement of intent. From Lilongwe, it's a wrap and a memorable final. Kenyans were the champions, and Michael Olunga is the name on everyone's lips. For more football update, stay tuned. Until next time, I was your host, Brian Ouma.
Congratulations, Kenya.